Nine.
3, 2, 1, start.
So the question I got is cat or dog? Question mark. So I have been born into a family who loves cats. They are basically cat lovers. We own one dog and 8 cats. So I'm pretty sure I have a lot of experience with cats. So I like cats better than dogs. Period. For one, because cats are like self-cleaning machines. They're like washing machines. They lick and bathe themselves every day. You won't see them once without licking themselves. That's true. And for a clean freak like me, I like them because I don't have to bathe them in the bath because they hate water and I'll get scars. Oh, and they are easier to take care of. You just feed them and you're all set. They don't care anymore. And you just buy them a box and they're like the happiest creatures ever. Small or big, they still like it. They don't need a lot of attention to be happy. And lastly, they're cute. Who doesn't think cats are cute doesn't have a heart.
I don't have a heart.
Doesn't have a heart. Big ears and small face, that's a cute combination to me. And cats, they purr when they're happy. So when they purr around you, they like you. And meows are cuter than barks. They're less annoying. So in conclusion, cats are basically pets for lazy and busy people. I'm lazy, so I like them. Cats are very independent. So